Right, bulb's gone on the passenger side, main beam or full beam, whatever they call it. So we're having to remove the battery to be able to get to the lamp, back of the lamp, and we have to use the extension. I think it's a 15mm. Was it 15?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 15mm socket.
Yeah.
With a long thread, so takes a little while. Right, so with gloves on, terminals are off, battery out. Of course, you'll have to put the code back in on the radio. Right, there's a clip there. Release the clip, and then could move this out, but I think you've got to move this plug. Yeah, so you've got to push on the, we'll get this cable out of the way, so you push on the releasing clip, and that comes away, and that'll give us room, hopefully. Look at the back of this. So now we can move that out, and now we can get to the back, the famous bulb. You have to remove the plug first and then unclip it. So we have to take the plug off. Right. Plug off, and now we unclip the top of that clip to right, so there's a clip there, so we've got to lift the clip. So you push the clip to the side like that, and then it will go down, and now we got the bulb. Now with our gloves on, so as not to damage, well no, you don't have to worry about the old bulb, but when we fit the new bulb, we'll get to the, this is the faulty bulb. Right, the lamp has to be fitted with the tag that side, so as it fits back in, and that's how the new one's gone in. So if you have a look, that's it, so it's in there. So what you've got to do, you've got to put the clip back and then the plug. Right, as you can see, we put the clip back first and then we put the plug back on. Right, so the cover clips back on. As easy as that. That's it. And then the cable you've carefully put out of the way, you've got to bring that back. You've got to plug that in. Plug that back in. And now we can put the battery back. Right, when you lift this battery, you can use the handle, somebody pointed out. And that makes it a lot easier. Batteries back in, strapped. Terminals back on. Nice and tight. Hey! Both working. Woo! Job done. Press 1 to get going.
You press 1 to get going, and then you go through that with the you go through that with the numbers like this.
Oh, up and right and left.
Right and left, yeah. And then you press 1 to keep going through them all.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. When you've disconnected the battery, you may have to, well, you will have to reset the code. So you press one button once. Oh. Maybe we set it wrong, therefore you've got to wait. Oh, here we go. Code. Can you go up and down with this? There you are, radio's working.
At southernrailway.com, where every stop is a story. Terms apply.
Welcome to Abel & Cole, where inconvenience is a good thing.